Alright, Chapter 15, Appraising Income Property. Essential matters to learn from this chapter. Chapter is about appraising income property principal of those seeking the certified general appraisers, seeking broker, state license, or who want to be residential appraisers need not to study this chapter. Mathematical version stream expected future income lump sum with the present value of the capitalization income in the cornerstone of the appraising income property. Fundamental capitalization income, and complement interest, principal value, principal lump sum amount with a March starting amount with a dollar amount with a receive later principal distinguished from interest, which earnings are on the principal compound interest mean the principal grows the interest earned on both initial principal and interest earned on prior period may be month, year, any other time interval. Simple interest amount compound not considered the appropriate method of evaluating stream of income reciprocal the number of 1 divided amount. For example, the reciprocal of 5 is equal to 1/5. An annuity is series equal to near equal payment at ordinary. Annuity provides payments for the end of each period. Annuity advance provides payments for the beginning of each period. Rate of return, investment interest rate is earned. Rate of return investments, periodic return is principal. 6 functions compound interest. 1 future value of the dollar, $1. Growth of $1 compound interest. 1 is deposited at the beginning of the first period. To answer the question, if the deposit is $1 now, the fixed rate compound interest, how much will the total be after n amount of periods? Future value of any annuity of the $1 period. Accumulated growth of 1 deposit in each end of the period of the end period. Sinking fund factor the reciprocal future value and annuity of $1 per period. And answer question, how much must I deposit each period to reach $1 at the end of end periods? Present value of $1. The answer to the question, if you receive $1 after end periods, how much is it worth today? Reciprocal of future value $1. Present value and annuity of the $1 period. And the answer to the question, if they receive $1 end of the period of the end periods, how much sum of the worth today? And assuming the fixed interest rate installment amortization $1. This is the reciprocal present value and annuity of $1 period. The factor provides periodic amount necessary to retire called amortization. $1 of the fixed rate interest over end periods. The common approach is appraisal for the appraisal follow with a systematic pattern to derive the estimate of the annual cash flow from the property. The cash flow is considered the income. The annual cash is capitalized into a lump sum to derive the present value of the cash flow stream. The process begins with the potential gross income of the total amount that can be collected within the unit. If all the units are rented, the market rates are all year, all shopping center with a percentage lease for the income included. The effect of the gross rate provides subtraction, vacancy, collection, losses, provides additional miscellaneous income such as vending, laundry machines, and appropriate apartment complex. Operating expense subtract with the derived of the operating income. Operating expense includes such things as the real estate taxes, hazardous insurance, utilities, maintenance, repairs, painting, trash removal, the other replacement services, and interest expense, and not operating expense and financing expense. Often leases must stay with determine the degree of the netness, that is, which expense for the escalations pass back to the tenant's net operating income calculated divided with the overall capitalization derived with the property value indication and reconcile with the value indication of the size comparison of the cost of purchase derived the value of the opinion of the capitalization sum of the two components of the first rate of the return on investment, rate of recovery of investment added. For example, 10% required annual return on investment, 2% required for the annual return on investment capitalization, 12% of the decimal form at 0.12. Net operating income to $10,000 is divided by 0.12. Derive the present value of $83,333 with the capitalization rate of 12%. Of this way, with the derive of the capitalization rate, build up the rate. The various components start and save the liquid, riskless rate, and liquidity, investment management, risk of derived the appropriate return of the investment, annual return on investment, band of investments, mortgage equity rates, weighted in proportion of the purchase capital contributed to market, extraction and sales comparable to divided net operating income by selling price. Advanced discounted cash flow or DCF analysis is applied with a multiplying period cash flow for the year present value factor corresponding year the added resale amount reversions present value of the derived of the property value estimate. Appraising income property appraiser must carefully consider the quality quantity of variation expected future income. This includes type of lease, the credit worthiness, tenant, the amounts expected by the operating expense. The chapter interestly primarily those who become licensed and certified general appraisers of the material interest, also brokers, salesperson, other appraisers, but not presently required a license examination of these groups. Alright, appraisal of math income property. Let's just pause the tape real quick. Alright, that's all we're going to do at chapter 15.